Okay, guys, we have a new strategy test for you guys. This one, we're going to look at how long would it take to turn $100 into $100,000 with this free EA. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. We're going to start this one 20 and this was one of the better periods. So, full transparency. 2020. January of 2020, and let's just see, will this take our $100 and turn it into $100,000 and what that would look like. Let's go ahead and give it a start here. And as usual, we're going to look at this graph. And just like I've always said, there's always going to be ebbs and flows, but we only started this with $100. Why do I like the robots and the AI robots, algorithmic trading, robots that say that you can start with as little as $100. I love testing with $100. And then if they have a huge upside, I can put on the highest settings, the highest risk settings. And if I blow my account, it's really not a big deal. You know what I'm saying? Because I've seen people just look at these strategy tests and they'll throw $50,000 in there and they'll throw $100,000 in there. And then they'll hit an 80% drawdown. Their $100,000 turns into $20,000 and they're butthurt. But if I can get my $100, just the possibility, there's a difference between possibility and probability. We talk about that all the time. But if I have a possibility to look at an upside of $100,000 based on a $100,000 investment, I'm cool with that. But if I'm looking at a downsize of 80 to 90% drawdown on $100,000, no way, man. I would be pissed like many people find themselves when they put second mortgages on their houses, Only because they just looked at the past history of a robot and they've seen people take $25,000 and turn it into $1 million, but they never see the drawdown with that. They never see, okay, what happens during a bad period. Then they get pissed off and start calling, is this right? Okay, no, it's looking pretty good here. We're at $43,000. Nice. Okay, I thought that I was doing something wrong. So let's take a look at this. We've already done $1,000 to $1 million, and then we're going to look at with this free robot, how long would it take, if it's even possible, to turn $100 into $100,000. There we go. Not bad. Let's take a look at the results and let's just see how long it took us to do that. So here we are, January 2020. And the last trade was December 30th, 2022. So a little bit over 2 years, maybe closer to 3 years, just to be fair. And with our report, guys, we still looked at a 52% drawdown. So somewhere in there during that trajectory, we saw it go up and then we lost 50% of our value. Then it went back up. Again, if someone started during that period on the down draw, someone would have said it's a piece of shit. A robot, but in all actuality, nothing goes like this. It goes like this. And then it may even go down longer than you prefer, but at the same time, you have to understand how that works. So again, guys, this was really good. I love the possibility and the probability with this, as long as I'm using anywhere between $100 and $1,000. Now, I would really ratchet down the risk if I were to invest anything over $1,000. With a $10,000 account, I would probably cut that risk by 75% and would be happy with a 25% a year gain, But with $100, I'm going for it, man. I'm going for it. So if you're part of our group, you'll get this free EA. And if you want to go deeper than that and learn how to build a portfolio, join our VIP group. So this is pretty cool, guys. Go out there and make some real money.